Hello guys, I hope you're doing well today. So after many days, I'm back in my makeup tutorial vlog. So in my last video, I was telling you guys these two makeup set are suck. So I'm gonna see if I can make a prettiest makeup with these two. I didn't show you this, sorry. But I show you this. So let's get started. How to open this thing? So guys, my trip came to Trampoline in Fantima at my school. So I finally opened this thing. Okay, first we don't need this. First we always start with a makeup tutorial with BB cream and BB cream blush. Let's start. Let's get started. I'm gonna first just put it here, then I'm gonna blush it. I'm gonna show you guys. So let's get started. So guys, that's too much. Oopsies, my bad. Oh. Now let's blend it all up. Oh, wow. Your skin is so wide. Is that too much? Or maybe no, that's not too much. Your skin is not. Look, my face is now shiny, super shiny. Sorry, that was my little bit of shouting. Time for makeup time. We definitely need to use this too to make it more beautiful and blendable. I need this. But I'll just fill in those areas. This is kind of good actually. Not bad. That is so good. So this is a smaller blush, as you can see. Oh, this looks so cute when I'm doing this. Oh my god, little bro. Can you stop shouting? I'm in a video. Ibrahim! Don't shout. Seriously? My little... I had that noise. Water in the wall. I think we need to make this. I look like a devil. And not really. Okay. Can you please be quiet, little? Do you see how he talks back to me? Do you see him? Fine. Lipstick. So, guys, let me show you the other one. It's not broken. This. And in the comments, if you want me to put pink or purple or orange, I'm gonna use red. Or in the next makeup tutorial, I'm gonna also use this. So comment down below that which color should I use, pink, purple, or orange, or red. In the next makeup tutorial, okay? I'm using red right now. Okay. It's kind of pinkish. Come on. That looks so good. Really good. Wow. Oh my gosh. This is so good. It's gooder than the pink, I guess. What's next? What about nail polish? No, not nail polish. What about ice cream? No, I'm not ice cream. I just joked to you guys. Oh my gosh, and now I put the base really perfectly. I put this really perfectly. So now let's start with blush first. Of course I start with blush. Let's use my bag, wrong order. Whoopee. So this makeup supposed to have a blush side. Oh maybe. Oh wow. So guys, I went to Trampoline in my school trip, so it was so much fun. They even had a ball pit, foam pit, and a dangerous slide, and I didn't went to the dangerous slide. And they had I made my decision. Next we were gonna put, look how gorgeous. As otherwise. I was gonna use the glitter one, okay. Okay. This happened. Bro, can you stop? Can you make the volume down? This is so good. No. Perfect. I'm not in a mood of, ooh. I guess I'm gonna put a little bit like this. It is so great. So guys, now I'm gonna put some mascara. I'm gonna put it. I already put it on. Okay. Hello guys. I hope you have a nice day. So I'm back in another Wonder Hills video, and today I'm so excited because it's a new video. It's a new day. I mean, there's some new things inside, so I'm so happy. So I don't know what to do. Let's go inside and then see what's inside.